So today we are going to be making alcoholic popsicles.
I don't think that's possible.
It is possible with a little bit of science. We're going to be able to do this with liquid nitrogen.
So that's the really cold liquid stuff, right?
Yep, it gets around negative 196 degrees Celsius.
That's really cold.
Yes.
That might explain it, because I feel like every time I put alcohol into my freezer, it never freezes.
No, it doesn't.
So you're saying this liquid nitrogen is going to make it cold enough that our alcohol will freeze?
Yep.
All right, let's give it a shot.
All right, so what all do you have over there?
Well, this is definitely some rum. Reminds me of Weekends in Cabo. I've never been. I can't afford that on a PhD salary. A little bit of my favorite pineapple juice.
Okay.
That looks like cranberry juice, so this must be, I don't know, it doesn't have a smell. What do you think it is? Ooh, water, right?
Oh, that's vodka.
No way.
Ooh, I'm breathing fire.
Oh, you're right, you're right. That one's for you.
All right, so let's get this started now that we're ready to go.
Whew. All right, how are we gonna make these popsicles?
So if you wanna mix your alcohol with the mixer, and then we'll just pour them into the popsicle.
Oh, sounds easy enough.
Yep.
I'm so excited to try these.
All right,
Yes.
I think we're ready.
All right, what's our next step?
All right, next step is we are going to put the popsicles in liquid nitrogen. What's really awesome is that the freezing point of ethanol, which is what makes up a lot of alcohol, is around negative 114 degrees Celsius. So the fact that liquid nitrogen gets down to negative 196 degrees Celsius, it's gonna be able to freeze all of the ethanol content in here, unlike our freezers at home.
Ah, that makes sense.
Yep.
You got the science.
So let's get the cooler and the liquid nitrogen. We do need to put on our safety goggles and gloves.
All right. Now, is it true that all alcohol, whether you're drinking wine or spirits or beer, the alcohol in it is ethyl alcohol?
Yes,
Oh.
also known as ethanol.
Like the stuff I put in my cars.
Yeah,
Weird.
I know.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. Oh, I love liquid nitrogen. All right.
All right, so now we are gonna put the popsicles in and let them sit for a couple of minutes.
Whew.
So what we're doing is we're just putting these popsicles down into the liquid nitrogen, and we need a lot more liquid nitrogen.
These better be the best popsicles I've ever had. All right, now how long do we have to wait for these before we can eat them?
We're gonna wait just a couple of minutes, and then they should be frozen solid.
All right, wait. I've been to a festival or two in my day.
Oh, yeah?
And I've definitely had frozen margaritas before. So, can't you freeze alcohol?
So it's actually not frozen. What you're looking at is the juice. That's the only part of the frozen margarita that's actually frozen. The alcohol itself is not frozen, which is what we were able to do here. And we're gonna freeze everything solid to where it's a popsicle.
That's pretty cool.
Wouldn't you like that at your festival?
Yes, I need more
Yeah,
of those.
cool down. All right, so why don't we check on these? As you can see, this cooler is so cold because of the liquid nitrogen inside that ice is forming on the outside because of the moisture in the air. So it is just condensing directly onto the cooler.
Oh, that's crazy. So this is just frozen water from the air. All right, let's check out these popsicles. No way.
Did it work?
Look at that.
Looks like they are frozen solid.
What? Okay. This is really cool.
What? That's
All right.
absolutely solid. This worked.
This is crazy. Like, I put my vodka and tequila, like my giant handle tequila in the freezer all the time.
Yeah.
Never freezes.
No, and this is why. This is why science is so awesome.
Oh my gosh. I really want to try this. Oh, no. Maybe I shouldn't have banged it on the counter.
Yeah, I don't think that was a good idea.
You know, sometimes I don't know my own strength.
Apparently. Don't lick it.
But it wanted so bad.
Oh, you don't break your tooth. So it's good.
Yeah, except for I totally just ate an orange peel.
Oh, God.
That wasn't tasty.
Maybe next time we won't put the orange garnish in.
You want to try a piece?
I would love to try a piece.
It's gonna be cold. Do it fast.
all right.
In the mouth. Go, go,
Oh, God.
go.
It already stuck to my tongue.
Don't be
Oh,
weak
it's
about it.
not going
Don't
to
be weak about it. Yes. All right, wait for it. Wait for it. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
Right. Oh no, I almost did it again. Not that piece.
That's really good.
You want to try another one?
I would love to.
What are you thinking?
I want to do the margarita one.
Yes.
Yeah?
That's my girl. Let's try not to break this one.
Oh, wow. This one is beautiful. You can even see the lime and mint.
Look at it. All right, I'm gonna try not to eat the lime rind this time. Oh, love it, right? I'm a popsicle dragon. So I think from what you told me about how there was this condensation here that formed on our cooler, that the same thing's happening when we're breathing it out. So this is super cold, but we still have a lot of liquid in our mouths, right? So when we're breathing out, that cold air is actually making that condense into that fog that we see like dragon's breath. Is that right?
I think so.
Yes. I think I'm getting a little drunk from this.
Well, then I think it's time to wrap this up and head to the pool.
Sounds like a plan to me.
All right, if you guys enjoyed this and want us to try any other experiments, please tag us and let us know.
Till next time. See you guys.